हम्म, yeah. Now we will study social. In the previous lecture, we have already studied pro bono ads. Okay, pro bono ads or social advertising, and the issues that has been displayed in social ads. We have seen one video on Saturday, and how social ads, social societal concerns are given shape, new perspectives such ads show us, and that has everlasting impact on audience. And you also have commented positively about the videos we have seen in pro bono ads. Now, social ads by Indian government through Directorate of Advertising and Visual Publicity (DAVP). Actually, DAVP is a media unit of Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. Okay, Doordarshan and the public sector channels comes under this category. Which category? Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. It is a nodal multimedia advertising agency of the government, central government, and it caters to the communication of ministries, various ministries. Ayush Mantralay. Okay, we can also add Ayush. Then departments, healthcare department. So many departments uh, pertaining to health issues are there. So it includes all sort of departments, public sector undertaking. It means State Bank of India, okay, Government of India undertaking, Bank of Maharashtra, Government of India undertaking, or public sector undertaking. These are the banks, public sector banks, and the services they rendered. It has shown on media, various sort of media, with the help of Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. The policies, say for example, Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, Atal Pension Yojana, Digital India, then Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana, Swachh Bharat Mission, Make in India, Pradhan Mantri Sansad Adarsh Gram Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana. Okay, what is this? All the ads that I have read, it comes under DAVP. Then income tax returns. We have seen income tax returns. Then Rashtriya Ekata Divas, national integrations. Then India Shining, farmers. Now farmer bill is now in the last day. Yesterday, farmers bill. Then what would be the pros and cons of farmers bill. It is discussed in the parliament. Then some of the issues that we will discuss through these lectures. Then educate. What is the objective of this DAVP? To educate rural and urban about government policies, programs, sanitization campaign, some programs, messages, polio, एक बूंद जिंदगी की programs, messages, and achievement of the government and motivate them. Achievement of the government, the prevalent parties who is on power, they spread the positive messages through the media, through their achievements, road, how India is connected with roads, highways. They show, okay, um, Gujarat development has shown how it is modeled to across all the states of India. So it has shown the achievements of the government and motivate them. What is the objective? To motivate them about the ads like Save Girl Child, upliftment of girls, blood donation. What is the motto of such kind of ads? Health and family welfare sectors. To motivate them to innovate them. Then interest of community at large. The objective is to have interest, to take interest about the community. सगळ्या जनसमुदाय आहे त्यांना विश्वासात घेऊन या जाहिराती असतात. त्यानंतर social change is important. Then social change, political ideas are circulated. Political voting, I told you during the voting time. Okay, political ideas, economic policies, developmental programs. Such sort of ads we will see in the video improves the pace of development and guide social change generally undertaken by government. Just I told you, just present example, Arogya Setu app, significance of sanitization, cleanliness, safe driving. Such sorts of topics are included in this DAVP. Then what sort of channels of communication executed by the DAVP? Advertisements, then release press ads, exhibitions, putting exhibitions, outdoor publicity, display hoardings, bus panel, wall painting, cinema slides, banners, etc. Then printed publicity. It means booklets, folders, posters, leaflets, calendars, diaries. So with these means printed publicity is given, it is exhibited. Such kind of ads are exhibited. We can see in our Kal Nirnay, some social issues are displayed on the front side of our calendar. Then audio and visual publicity, jingle, sponsored programs, short films, audio and visual publicity. Documentary films are there, 10 minutes, 20 minutes on YouTube. Audio and visual publicity is given for the social concern, problems that are prevalent in our society. Which kind of problems? Nowadays you can see so many ads where women are treated as secondary one. They are secondary, and the object is not to treat them in secondary role in the family. That is the objectives. You can see this same thing, how it is created and how women are underestimated in the serials like Mulgi Jhali Ho in Marathi. They are underestimated. They are suppressed by the uh, male, suppressed by the masculine society. Pitrusattak Kutumba Paddhati, printed publicity, audio and visual publicity, distribution of publicity materials. Okay, mailing of publicity materials, it means distribution of publicity materials. Material जे आहे publicity distribution किंवा वाटलं जातं. And important subjects, health and family welfare, drug abuse and prohibition, women and child development, upliftment of girl child, education, adult education, national integration and community harmony, anti-dowry campaign, female infanticide, child labor, beggary, blood donation, AIDS awareness, consumer protection, welfare of the handicapped, national social assistance programs, Panchayat Raj. So these are some of the issues that are displayed in the such kind of ads. Now the same ads we will see health and family welfare. We will see one ad, then you will understand how such kind of ads are important. Any ad, if you see any ad, okay, we will see a female infanticide ad. Okay, just one ad we will see. Any ad. Let me share the screen. We will see one ad that I have seen. Family and just a minute. Family health and family welfare. Health and family welfare. Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Same achievements of ministry. Now time is only 5 minutes, so we can't see this ad because it is lengthy. No, 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 no. 2 minutes. Okay, we will see this ad. 2 minutes. documentary film.